Expert IV pump repairs, fast turnaround time. Key highlights: Expert IV pump repairs with fast turnaround times, servicing over 100 plus pump models from major brands. Certified technicians following ISO 9001:2015 standards. High-quality workmanship at affordable prices. Free shipping and evaluation. Maximize your ROI and avoid compromising safety standards. Introduction. When we talk about important medical equipment like an IV pump, it is very important to make sure it works well. A dependable service center that focuses on IV pump and medical equipment repair is a must for healthcare facilities and professionals. These centers have the right knowledge to find and fix many problems with IV pumps. This helps make sure that patients get fluids safely and accurately. Understanding the importance of expert IV pump repairs. In today's healthcare world, infusion pumps are very important for delivering medicine and fluids correctly. These devices are key to patient care. It is essential to fix any problems quickly and properly. Expert repairs for IV pumps go beyond just fixing them. They help keep patients safe and maintain important healthcare procedures. Preventative maintenance and quick repairs from skilled technicians can lower downtime. They can also lessen the chance of mistakes and make your infusion pumps last longer. This careful approach to taking care of IV pumps helps create a safer and more efficient healthcare setting. The role of IV pumps in healthcare. IV pumps are important medical devices. They help deliver fluids, medicines, and nutrients straight into a patient's blood. These devices keep the flow rate steady and precise. This is key for many medical treatments, like giving antibiotics or managing pain. IV pumps do more than just provide fluids. They help keep electrolyte balance, give chemotherapy drugs, and assist patients who need long-term IV therapy. The accuracy of these pumps is crucial for getting the best treatment results. Because IV pumps are vital in healthcare, any problems can seriously affect patients. It's important to be aware of the risks of delays or mistakes in fixing them. Risks of delayed or improper IV pump repairs. Delayed or poor IV pump repairs can be very dangerous for patient safety. Broken pumps may give the wrong dose of medicine. This can lead to bad drug effects or problems from wrong fluid levels. Also, when IV pumps are not working, it can slow down healthcare work and delay important treatments. This not only affects patient care, but also puts pressure on healthcare resources. Fixing IV pump problems quickly and keeping them working well is key. It is important for patient safety and providing good healthcare. Key components of IV pump repair services. Expert IV pump repair services cover many procedures to fix different pump problems. The process usually starts with a careful diagnosis to find out what is wrong. After that, they make the needed repairs using high-quality replacement parts. Also, good IV pump repair companies offer ongoing technical support. This can include help with troubleshooting, plans for preventative maintenance, and access to technical documents. This support helps make sure your IV pumps remain reliable for a long time. Diagnosis and troubleshooting. Effective repair of an IV pump starts with good diagnosis and troubleshooting. This means carefully checking the biomedical equipment in a step-by-step way. Technicians use special tools and methods to find out what is wrong. They look at different parts, like the pump's inner workings, sensors, and software, to spot possible problems. Calibration checks are important too. They make sure the pump is giving fluids at the right rates. By using their skills and advanced diagnostic tools, technicians can figure out the issue. It could be a mechanical problem, a software error, or a problem with the sensors. Replacement of faulty parts. Once the faulty component is identified, the next step involves the careful replacement of those parts. Reputable IV pump repair services prioritize the use of high-quality OEM original equipment manufacturer parts whenever possible. This ensures compatibility, reliability, and optimal performance of the repaired pump. Part category common replacements. Importance: internal components, valves, pumps, motors. Ensures accurate fluid flow and pressure regulation. Sensors: pressure sensors, flow sensors. Provides feedback for precise infusion rates. Display and interface, LCD screens, keypads, touchscreens, enables user interaction and monitoring of the infusion process. Batteries and power supply. Rechargeable batteries, power cords, adapters provides reliable power for pump operation. Using substandard or incompatible parts can compromise the pump's functionality, potentially jeopardizing patient safety and leading to costly repeat repairs. Benefits of choosing professional repair services. Choosing professional IV pump repair services has many benefits. The biggest one is the guarantee of quality and safety. Certified technicians have the skills to find problems quickly. They can fix the issues while following strict quality standards. Also, using repair services can save you money compared to buying new equipment. These services make the repair process easier. This helps reduce downtime so your IV pumps can get back to work faster. Ensuring reliability and accuracy. Professional IV pump repair services are very important. They help make sure these vital medical devices work well and provide accurate results. When they follow strict quality standards, it means each pump will operate without problems. Regular routine maintenance is also key for reliable performance. Good repair providers offer detailed maintenance plans that fit different pump models. These plans include checks, cleaning, and calibration. When you let certified experts handle your IV pump maintenance and repairs, you are investing in its long life and precise operation. This keeps patients safe and gives you peace of mind by meeting the highest healthcare standards. Extending the life of your IV pump. Extending the life of medical equipment, especially IV pumps, is important for healthcare facilities. It helps them save money and keep working efficiently. Expert repair services can play a big role in achieving this goal. Refurbishment programs from these services can give old IV pumps a new lease on life. This usually includes changing damaged parts, updating software, and testing the devices to make sure they follow the manufacturer's standards. When you combine this with preventative maintenance, professional IV pump repair services can greatly increase the lifespan of your devices. This leads to significant cost savings by cutting down on the need for frequent replacements and reducing expensive downtime. Conclusion: expert IV pump repairs are important for keeping healthcare services running well. Quick and precise repairs help make sure IV pumps work correctly and last longer. When you choose professional repair services, you lower the chances of problems from slow or bad repairs. You also get your IV pumps back to good working order faster. Rely on expert repair services to maintain the quality and productivity of your healthcare operations. Frequently asked questions. What is the turnaround time for IV pump repairs? We provide quick service for IV pump repairs. This helps to reduce downtime at your vet clinic or hospital. Our easy shipping and ordering process makes sure your equipment is fixed and sent back to you fast.